friends, welcome. It is Rachel here, and today I'm doing a video for Scrapbook Nerd. We are doing a scrapbook layout that I'm so excited about. It turned out so cute, and I'm using the Cocoa Vanilla Studio, oh boy, what's it called? These Days collection from Scrapbook Nerd. And this weekend we are having an online crop weekend on the Scrapbook Nerd Facebook page. All of the links will be down below. Our themes are family and relationships, togetherness, things like that. And in my family, I include my cats. So my challenge for you today is to make a layout with your pets. A picture with your pets or with somebody else's pets, or maybe an animal that visits you, a chipmunk or a squirrel or a bird that visits you every day in your backyard. That is my challenge for today. So let's begin this layout. I am taking some papers from this collection. I have the 6x8 papers that I think is still available in the shop. I have the shop pulled up here. Most of this collection is still available. Maybe the 6x8 papers are not. I'm not sure, but I'm scrolling through here and the mini puffy alphas are available. The puffy golds glitter hearts are there. The foam title stickers, the wooden buttons, what else? We have lots of different kinds of papers. We have the clear stickers, the puffy stickers, the cardstock stickers, the ephemera pack. Lots still available in the shop. So I would definitely encourage you to go check it out because I love this collection. One of my favorites from last year. I think it was last year. Either way, it's one of my favorites lately. And I forgot about it. I forgot about it for a moment. I got so caught up with Christmas stuff, Valentine's stuff, and I was looking at my stash and I'm like, oh my goodness, I forgot about this amazing collection. So here we are today using it, and I've almost used up this entire sticker sheet, which is exciting. I'm a big fan of using up my supplies and putting it into projects and layouts and avoiding hoarding it. So yeah, I put some paper layers together, very simple, did not think too much about it. I actually didn't even like glue or measure any of the pieces. I actually used a stapler. I just like cut out scraps and then stapled them all together. I used a doily from my stash, and the title is going to be Sweet Harvey and Me. I used the sweet from the like foam stickers, and then these are the mini alphas that are so cute. And this is me and my sweet little Harvey. She is 6.5 years old. She's actually looking at me right now. She sits on like the stair railing. She sits on it and watches the world go by, and, you know, guards the house and can see everything. And she's just the sweetest little thing. We love her. And so I did this sweet little layout of us. And I feel like I'm finally starting to catch up. I know I talk about this a lot in my videos about catching up and all that stuff, but I do feel like I'm starting to catch up on layouts and things. This is 2021. So that's pretty good. I feel like I can catch up. I have the first 2 months of 2021 photos printed, and it's not even that many photos. So I think that I can be pretty caught up pretty quickly, I'm hoping. Yes. Oh, yes. I actually did add the word together. Sweet Harvey and Me together. That's from the ephemera pack, and I put that up on some foam. I also put that little flag up on some foam, and I'm truly just using scraps and stuff. I don't know if you can see those 2 layers on the right-hand side. Those are just scraps that I'm using up to build up this cluster. And then I'm going to use some of those black foam leaves as well, because I want to add a little bit more black in with the word sweet there. So I'm adding in a few pieces there, and I'm also going to sew around the border to make like a black outline to bring in some of that black as well, and also use some black mist spray. So I'm using some of those tiny words there and these 2 little houses, and making a little cluster in that area as well. And this is very top heavy. I probably could have put a cluster on the bottom of the page as well, but this is just my style to have a lot of like open space. That's just how I roll. That's how I scrapbook, and it's fun for me. So Yeah, I'm going to use these beautiful big buttons. I love these. They have adhesive on the back with a little bit of foam if you don't want it to be what is the word I'm looking for? That dimensional, then you can always take the foam off and just use some glue and glue it on. But I don't mind the foam there. But I know I've heard of people doing that. So I'm also adding some little hearts and things to enhance these clusters a little bit. And I'm going to add some florals in as well. We still have a few minutes to go of still adding embellishments, even though I feel like it seems pretty put together now, but I am going to add a few more pieces here and there. And I can really feel like it's coming together. I felt so good after I made this because I loved it. You know when like layouts and projects just come together and it just feels so good? That's how this felt. And it helped that I hadn't used this collection in a while, I think, because it really felt inspiring and fresh and new, even though it was an older collection. Guys, you gotta dig up the older stuff and bring it out, and you will, I think, find like something new within it. I think it really helps if you, like, I totally forgot about this collection. When I dug it up, I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot how much I love this collection and I still have so much left. So definitely dig up that old stuff, maybe mix in some new stuff with it to make it feel fresh and new again. And here we go. I love the black border of this. I think it really brings out the title and the mist splatters. I'm going to put all the links down below. Please go join us in the Facebook group and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.